Alright guys, so we get a lot of questions about MC4 connectors and how to hook them up. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so this is a male, and the males usually have a little plus sign on them. Okay, so we're going to put this male on here. So first you want to unscrew this. You got this piece here, and then there's also a little piece in here that looks like this. Okay, so we're going to put this piece on our wire first, and then we're going to put this piece on, which should be nice and tight. So you got to kind of give it a little. Okay, now this next part's a little tricky. Okay, so here's the female, and here's the male, and this is how they come. So if you notice, the male is just a little bigger than the female. Okay, so we're gonna grab that right there. Okay, now this is cool because I want to show you guys something. I always like to take two wires and not put them inside, okay, like that. So just bear with me, okay? And then we're gonna crimp this over here, and then we're gonna crimp this side. I know, these wires are somehow the dinkiest things in the world, and it's supposed to hold this whole solar panel together. Okay, I'm gonna pull these up. I'm gonna clip the tops off like that. Okay, and I'm gonna bend them down, and bend them down, and bend them down, and bend them down, and I'm just gonna crimp all those together right there. What that's gonna do, keep all that together. Now before you end it, I crimp each side of these right here and try to flex it back together like that. Okay, it looks a little rough, but I love to crimp the end there too. You got a lot of power running through here. Okay, now this is very important. So we're gonna run this, and we're gonna push this as hard as we can up inside of there, and we're just gonna keep pushing, and you'll see the male end until you can't push anymore. It'll be about 1/8 of an inch below the top. Okay, and then once you get that, all you got to do is run this in and tighten it down like that. Okay, and that's how I like to connect my MC4 connectors, so they don't pull out. And remember, the male has the bigger hole, and it also is positive. Thanks for watching.